real cases before a real judge.
Plaintiff Jennifer Craig says the defendant is her brother, and she raised him. Jennifer claims when the defendant was in middle school, he started hanging with drug dealers and gang members and ended up in trouble with the law. Jennifer suing her brother for car damages. Defendant Clyde L. Harrison admits he made a lot of bad decisions when he was younger, but insists he has turned his life around and now has 2 jobs. Clyde L. says Jennifer not only has anger issues, but she also has a drinking problem, and he insists he tried to get her car repaired.
Start with you.
Your Honor, we wouldn't be here if my brother wasn't so irresponsible and selfish. I raised my brother. I was his mother figure. I took him to PTA meetings, basketball games from elementary to high school. I was there, doctor's appointments. I was there. I did everything for him. Middle school, my brother started skipping school. He started getting in trouble, hanging with the wrong crowd, gang members, drug dealers. One incident we had, I dropped him off at a party. He was around 16 years old. I dropped him off. He was calling me like 20 minutes later to pick him up. I asked him what happened. He said the police were there. Police fight broke out, gang fight. I'm quite sure it was a gang fight. So we had to go to court on that.
What city you all live in?
We're from Dallas, Texas.
Where? Dallas?
Yes, Dallas, Texas.
You say it was a fight among gang members?
Yes, him and his little friends.
And nobody shot each other?
Oh, no, no.
Well, it wasn't a gang. It was a wannabe gang. Go ahead. They're wannabes. Where you live in the suburb of Dallas? They're wannabe gang. Gang members are shooting, not darling. They're not fist fighting, unfortunately. It was a fight among gang members?
Yes, him and his little friends.
And nobody shot each other?
Oh, no, no.
Well, it wasn't a gang. It was a wannabe gang. Go ahead. They're wannabe gang. Gang members are shooting, not darling. They're not fist fighting, unfortunately.
Plaintiff Jennifer Craig is suing her brother, who claims Jennifer spent 3 years in jail.
Did he finish high school?
Oh, yes, I made sure of that. I made sure of that. I
He's
worked
one
hard.
of the rare gang members that did that.
Yes.
All
yes.
right.
High school diploma.
All
Yes,
right.
I made sure that I worked hard so that he would graduate because a lot of people were against him on that issue, and he knows it.
Okay. You ever discovered a gun that he was carrying?
No, sir. No.
You ever went to jail?
Has he went to jail? Oh, yes. I bonded him out.
Okay. Describe those.
Fighting.
Okay.
It was fighting.
You go to jail for anything other than fighting?
No.
All right. What do you want to tell me about yourself? You say you a real tough gang banger, fights, shoots, kills, goes to jail for robbery, carjacking, all the things that gang bangers do.
Well, Your Honor.
He looks the part.
Yeah, he looks the part too.
Well, Your Honor, first
Let me
off,
be nice. I don't want to get caught up. I don't want to take a straight bullet like you gang members do, because half of y'all can't shoot. That's why these babies and senior citizens are being shot. You can't even shoot straight. Go ahead.
Well, first off, Your Honor, I was young when I was in gangs, and I went to jail, but I changed over the years. I mean, I graduated and got my high school diploma. I got 2 jobs now. Good. You know, I changed a lot.
Good.
And my sister here, she's not perfect. She's trying to play the part, but she's really not.
She used to fight too?
Yeah.
All right. Y'all got it in the genes? Or? That's all I've heard you've done is fight. So she used to fight also?
She's really got a temper problem. Well, our family got a temper problem, and she's
That's what I'm saying. It's genetic.
No, he has an attitude problem. He has a temper problem.
She's got a drinking problem too. Like for an example, she was drunk driving, and her friend tapped her on her arm, and she took a pen and stabbed her in the leg. Like, that's what you're dealing with.
He lying.
Never happened?
He lying. No.
All right, made it up.
I don't stab some people up, but this is what he talking
Your
about.
Honor, ask her. I mean,
he don't even know.
This is the truth. She was
That
with my
story.
brother, and she set up his girlfriend and she got stabbed in the face, and that's what she went to jail. Not for 1 year, but for 3 years.
Who went to jail for 3
And
years?
My
who
sister.
set up who?
You went to jail for 3 years?
Yeah, I've been incarcerated.
Let's move on to the car damages. You over here talking all
So
this.
who's the real
You over
thug?
here talking all this.
I was young too.
$1,892 for what car damages? What happened?
Okay, I loaned my brother my car so that he would graduate.
When?
This was in August 2011 is when I loaned him my car. And I made sure he signed a promissory note as well. I loaned him my car.
You have that with you?
Yes, sir, I do. Promissory note and the
What does
damages.
it indicate?
That if anything happens to my car, that he will be responsible.
All right. And what happened?
Okay, I loaned him my car so that to make sure that he would graduate because he was missing days. His excuse,
I know, he was running with the gangs.
Yeah, his excuse.
Tough guy.
Yeah, his excuse was, I don't want to catch the bus no more because he's an asthmatic patient. So when it rains or snows.
I got it, ma'am. He's a
Right.
vicious killer. Got you.
Right.
I know.
Yeah. So he didn't get oil changes. I told him to keep the maintenance up. He didn't do it. So my car now it needs a motor.
What happened?
Back in March, I said, well, my car is ticking. Did you get an oil change? The first oil change, transmission change, I did for him, just to get him,
What did he say?
started. He said, oh, yeah, I did it. I'm going to do it. Or I said, okay, we'll take it to Mr.
Did he say he did it or he's going to do it?
He's
You-
gonna.
you
First,
said
he
two
said
different things.
yeah, exactly, because he's a liar. First, he said he did it, and then he said he's gonna do it.
Okay.
And he kept, oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
When did you discover it was totaled, the engine?
When it started getting louder, it started getting worse, and he kept promises. He kept promising me.
All right, you should have
That's
stopped
not
him
true.
from using it, though, every time you heard it getting louder.
Plaintiff Jennifer Craig is suing her brother, who claims Jennifer spent 3 years in jail.
Go ahead, sir. What do you want to tell me?
Your Honor, when I got the car, I signed the contract, but at that time it was night. And I do got an eyesight problem, as a matter of fact. And
Yeah, she didn't say you couldn't see the engine work. She said the engine, you have an ear problem too?
no,
Okay, that's what she said, that she could hear it. Go ahead.
And I trust my sister, so I figured she wouldn't go against me because that's my sister. She looked out for me. But on the car situation, when I got in the car and cranked it up, the check engine light was on when I first borrowed it.
Well, why would you drive it if you already see that you have an engine problem?
I tried to get the problem fixed.
How?
I
What'd you
put
do?
maintenance into it.
Pardon me?
I got the oil changed. I got the
And the
engine
engine
checked.
light went off?
No, sir. No, sir.
What did you do to try and get the engine light?
I told her that I was going to fix the car.
Right.
And she said, no, just give me my keys back. I said, give me the car and I'll fix it. I'll fix it out of
It's
my
not too
money.
late. You agreed that you were going to have it fixed, so you're a good, honorable man. She'll get it fixed. You'll save you the ride, and then you just give her the money. Have a good day. Judgment for the plaintiff.
I want a relationship with my brother because we were tight. We were like butter and rice, peanut butter and jelly, like tight, real tight. And I miss that, and he know it. And I'm more hurt than anything.
My thing is, if you go against me once, I'm going to feel like you're going to go against me all the time. That's just how it is where I'm from. So
I'm
I
your
wouldn't
sister.
trust. It don't matter.